Who's winning?
I go win.
Get him, Molly. We gotta get him closer so he can hit him. Oh, that's a good punch right there, man. Now back up, you're hung up. There you go. Yeah, push it down hard, baby. Need some help? Okay.
Thomas, turn your man so you're hitting her.
Longest boxing match in history.
No, don't pull the heads up. That's when you lose.
Your head pops up, you lose. You gotta try to hit his head. That's what you're trying to do, is hit their head. So you gotta get it closer.
Don't give me. No. Now. Sweet. Now. Sweet. Now. Sweet. Now. Sweet. Now.
You don't have to freeze. Just keep on hitting it.